Hello friends, let's see. We have two numbers on our screen, that is 97 into 99 and 105 into 108. Take out your calculator and find out the answer of these numbers. How much time are you going to take out for this answers? 5 seconds. But what happens if you are able to take out these calculations by yourself within 5 seconds without the use of a calculator? Yes, 97 into 99 is 9603 and 105 into 108 is 11340. Yes, taking out the calculation within 5 seconds without the use of a calculator is our trick for today. My full video is going to show you tricks of numbers more than 100, less than 100, combination of them and 1000. In my whole video, we are going to cover this. So let's begin. Our trick is fast multiplication using base method. We start with the base 100, numbers which are more than 100. Now you can see on your screen 102 and 103. So how much is 102 greater than 100? It is by 2. Similarly, 103 is greater than 100 by how much? It is 3. We are going to multiply 2 and 3 and we are going to get our answer as 6. This is the first step in which we are going to multiply the numbers which are greater than 100, that is 2 and 3, and we get our answer as 6. But you might ask me a question that I have put a 0 in front of it. Why? Because in the case of 100, we have to maintain 2 digits. Therefore, I have put a 0 in front of 100. After this first step, we are going to add 102, 102 and 3, that is 102 and 3, or either 103 and 2. This is called cross addition and we get our answer as 105 in either of the cases. So you can see if you are adding 102 plus 3 or 103 plus 2, your answer remains same as 105. Put this 105 in front of 06 and you get your answer just within 5 seconds. I have explained this, therefore I have taken a little bit of time, but as you calculate it faster, it will take you only 5 seconds. So let me give you a recap. How did I get this number? We got 105 by taking down the addition of 102 plus 3, which is equal to 105, or 103 plus 2, which is equal to 105. In either case, we are going to get the same answer. And 06, we got it by multiplying 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. We have put 0 because we have to maintain a base of 2 digits. Coming down to another number, I have taken down 118 and 110. So same, how much is 118 greater than 100? It is by 18. And 110, how much is greater than 100? It is 10. Multiply the two numbers, which is our first step, that is 18 into 10, and we get our answer as 180. In the base 100, we have to maintain 2 digits. Now what we are going to do with this one? Yes, we are going to carry forward this one with our addition of 118 plus 10 or 110 plus 18 and plus 1, and we are going to get our answer as 129. So whenever you get 3 digits, you have to carry forward 1 or any number which you get. You have to add this number in your cross addition. So nothing more than that, 129 and 80, putting them together, you get your answer as 12980. The answer is come down in just a simple calculation by adding and by multiplying. We got our answers 129 by 118 plus 10 plus 1, or 110 plus 18 plus 1 equal to 129. We got 80 by 18 into 10, that is 180. We have carried forward this 1 and taken down with our addition part, and we got 129 and 80. I believe it is very clear how we did our calculation for the numbers which are more than 100. We are just taking down the numbers which are greater by how much and adding and multiplying it, and we get our answers. Same with the numbers which are less than 100. Now you can see 98 and 99. Find out how much is 98 less than 100. Yes, you will say it is less than 100 by minus 2. And 99 is how much less than 100? It is by minus 1. Our first step, that is minus 2 into minus 1, we will get 2. Putting down 0 because we have to maintain the base as 2 digits. In our numbers which were more than 100, we did addition, but numbers which are less than 100, we will do subtraction. That is 98 minus 1 or 99 minus 2. In both the cases, we'll get the same answer, that is 97. Putting the number 97 and 02 together, we get our answer as 9702. So simple to get the addition and multiplication and getting our answer quickly as possible. So giving you a recap, how did we get 9702 is 97 we got by subtracting 98 minus 1, we got 97, or 99 minus 2 equal to 97. In both the cases, the answer remains the same. And we got 02 by multiplying minus 2 into minus 1, we got 02. Let me take another example so that you become more clear regarding our numbers which are less than 100. So taking another example like 89 into 99. How much is 89 less than 100? Yes, by minus 11. And 99, how much it is less than 100? Minus 1. Multiply the two numbers and you get your answer as 11. Minus into minus gives an answer as plus. So the answer is 11. Now subtract minus 1 from 89 or minus 11 from 99, you get your answer as 88. In both the cases, the answer remains 88. Now, putting the numbers together, we get our answer as 8811. That is 8,811. How did, just giving you a recap, 88 we got from 89 minus 1 or 99 minus 11, and 11 we got by multiplication of 11 into 1. So both the tricks are simple, like addition in the case of numbers which are more than 100, subtraction in the case of numbers which are less than 100. But you can ask me a question. If we take two numbers which one is lesser than 100 and the other is more than 100, then what is the case? How would you do this? This is the example which have been covered in the second slide. You can see the two numbers 97 and 102. One number is less than 100, the other number is more than 100. So in that case, how much is 97 less than 100? Yes, it is by minus 3. And 102 is how much bigger than 100? That is 2. Now multiply the two numbers, we will get 06. Why 06? I have explained it before also, because we have to maintain 2 digits. In this case, you can see here it is plus 2, here it is minus 3. Now what we are going to do? we are doing addition in 97 plus 2 and subtraction in the case of 102 minus 3. But the answer would be the same, that is 99. Either we do addition or either we do subtraction. Yes. Now the crucial steps comes into picture. We cannot put these two numbers together. We have to just subtract this number by adding 2 zeros in 99 and make this numbers 9900 and subtract this minus 06 from this. The answer would be 9894. Only one step which has been added in this is this double zero, because we have to subtract this number because it's a combination of addition and subtraction. Subtracting, we get our answer and we are able to find out how did we find this answer. Let's take another example to explain this more better. Yes, taking down the example is 91 and 106. Find out how much is 91 less than 100. Yes, it is by minus 9. And 106 more than 100 by 6. Multiply the two numbers, 9 into 6, we get 54. Now, if we do addition of these two numbers or subtraction of 106 and 9, we will get the same answer, that is 97. Now put two zeros in front of 97 and subtract 54 from this. You will get your answer as 8646. That is 8646. It is just very simple to calculate it. Just you need little bit of practice. Your practice will help you to do these calculations within 5 seconds without the use of a calculator. This same trick applies when we use the numbers which are more than 100, that is in 1000 also. You can say that if we have numbers which are more than 1000, like 1002 or 1006, and we have to multiply them, same trick applies. How much is 1002? Greater than 1000. Yes, by 2. Similarly, 1006 is greater than 1000 by 6. Multiply the two numbers, we get 12. The twist is where we have to maintain 3 digits in 1000. So putting down 0 in front of 12. Now, either we cross addition, that is 1002 plus 6 or 1006 plus 2. In both the cases, the answer would be 1008. Combine the two together, that is 1008 and 012. You got your final answer as 1008012. Yes, the trick is really simple. You can do this within the time limit, like 1002 plus 6 gives you 1008, 1006 plus 2 gives you 1008, and 012 you got by multiplication of 2 into 6, and you got your final answer as 012 because you have to maintain 3 digits in the case of 1000. The calculation is really faster. I have explained it, therefore I have taken some time, otherwise it will be done in faster as you are going to calculate it. Let's take another example. 1007 into 1012, same steps. 1007 is greater than by 1000 by 7 and 1012 is greater than by 12. Multiply the two numbers, you are getting 84 and you are putting 0 because you have to maintain 3 digits. Cross addition, that is 1007 plus 12 or 1012 plus 7, the answer is 1019. Put this 1019 in front of 084 and you get your final answer. The trick is simple to calculate any numbers which are greater than 100, less than 100, combination of less and more, or numbers which are greater than 100, that is in 1000 case also. Numbers which are less than 1000 also, the same trick applies. Let me give you a recap, which is the point to remember in all the base digits. Like base 10, you have to maintain 1 digit. In base 100, you have to maintain 2 digits. And in base 1000, you have to maintain 3 digits. This is what you have to remember, and with the help of addition and cross addition and by multiplication, you are able to find your answers. The base 10 video I have covered in my first video. In the description box, I will share you the link and you can just see the trick of that also. Now let us do some exercise so that you are able to find out what I have taught, you have understood or not. I have given you some numbers and their answers also. Calculate these numbers with the help of the trick I have shown and find out the answers that are going to match, which have been shown here. And do comment how much time did you take while calculation with the help of this trick. See, calculation is very important in every case. In every exam, whichever you sit, you have to do calculations. So if you are able to save time, you can devote this time for other questions also. I would like you to please like, share, subscribe and comment on my video. How did you like it? Do turn on the notification bell so that you can subscribe for my coming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.